Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel Light to Crack Math. In today's video, we are going to discuss the solution for exercise 1.2 from the integers chapter. If you haven't seen the videos of the previous exercises, I will give you the link for those videos in the description. Do check it out. And if you're a first time viewer of our channel, then do subscribe our channel without fail. So now let's start off with the solution for this exercise 1.2. Moving on to the first question. Find each of the following products. So the A question is 3 into minus 1. So 3 into 1 is 3, right? The sign for 3 is plus. So plus into minus is minus. So our product would be minus 3. B question is minus 1 into 225. Again 1 into 225 is 225. Minus into plus is minus. So our product is minus 225. The C question is minus 21 into 30. So 21 into 30 is 630 and minus into minus is always plus. So the product is plus 630. The D question is minus 316 into minus 1. So 316 into 1 is 316. Minus into minus is plus again. So your answer is plus 316. And the E question is minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. So minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. 0 into any number is 0. So directly we can write the answer to be 0. And 0 is neither positive nor negative. So you needn't write any signs in front of 0. Okay, so the F question is minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. So minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. So in this first we'll multiply 12 into 11. 12 into 11 is 132. Again minus into minus is plus. So it is plus 132 into 10. And 132 into 10 is 1320. The G question is 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. So minus 3 into minus 6. That is 3 into 6. 3 6 are 18. Minus into minus is plus. So it is plus 18. So now we are left out with 9 into 18. So when you are going to multiply 9 into 18, you get 162 as the product. The H question is minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. So first we will multiply minus 18 into minus 5. That is 90. Minus into minus is plus. So your product is plus 90 into minus 4. So 90 into minus 4 is minus 360. Because 90 into 4 is 360 and plus into minus is minus again. The I question is minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. So first we'll group these 4 terms. So we'll group minus 1 into minus 2 together and minus 3 into 4 together. So 1 into 2 is 2, minus into minus is plus, and 3 4s are is 12, minus into plus is minus, so it is minus 12. So now 2 into 12 is 24, again plus into minus is minus, so the product is minus 24. J question is minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. So again let's pair up. So 3 6 are is 18, minus into minus is plus, and 2 1s are is 2, again minus into minus is plus. So 18 into 2 is 36. So the second question, verify the following. 18 into 7 plus minus 3 equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. So we will have to verify whether this given equation is equal. Okay. So first let us consider the left hand side. So 18 into 7 plus minus 3. So first we'll have to solve whatever is there in the brackets. So here you have plus of minus 3. So plus into minus is minus. So it is 7 minus 3. So now 7 minus 3 is 4. So you have 18 into 4. So 18 fours are is 72. So now let's see what is there on our right hand side. 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. So 18 into 7 is 126 and 18 into 3 is 54. So again plus into minus is minus. So it is minus 54. So here you have plus of minus 54. So again that is nothing but plus into minus, which is minus. So it is 126 minus 54. So when you subtract, you get 72 as the answer. So both in your left hand side and in your right hand side, you get the same sum at the end. So whatever is given is true. Now the B equation, minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6 equal to minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. So again, let's consider the left hand side first. So minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6. So minus 21 into minus 4 plus of minus 6, right? So plus into minus is minus, so you get minus 6. So both the integers are of the same sign. So what you will have to do, minus 4 and minus 6, you will have to add and put the minus sign in front. So it will be minus 10. So now you have minus 21 into minus 10. So minus into minus is plus. So your product would definitely be a positive integer. And 21 into 10 is 210. So now let's consider the RHS. So 21 into 4 is 84. Minus into minus is plus. So it is plus 84. Again 21 into 6 is 126. Minus into minus is plus. So it's plus 126. So now both are positive. So you can just add directly. And when we add directly, the answer is 210 again. So again, you see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, and hence the given verification. And hence the given equation is verified. The third question is, for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? So it can be any integer. So they have given us in general in the question. So minus 1 into a is always equal to minus a. The reason is 1 into any number is the same number itself, right? And minus 1 into plus a, which means minus into plus is minus again. So it is minus a. Second question is, determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is 22. So you should find out an integer which when multiplied by minus 1 gives you the product to be minus 22. So minus 22 into minus 1 is equal to plus 22. Because when we multiply integer minus 22 with minus 1, we get the additive inverse of that integer. Now you'll have to find out how will you get 37. So 37 into minus 1 is minus 37. Because when we multiply the integer 37 with minus 1, then we get the additive inverse of that integer, that is plus 37. And how will you get 0? 0 into minus 1 is again 0. Because the product of negative integers and 0 always gives you 0 only. It's not only for negative integers, even for positive integers it is always 0. The fourth question is, starting from minus 1 into 5, write various products showing some pattern to show minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. So the question is, you will have to prove that minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. But then using some pattern they have told. And you will have to start off your pattern with the given statement itself, that is minus 1 into 5. So now let's start writing it down. Minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. So minus 1 into 4 will be minus 4. Minus 1 into 3 will be minus 3. Minus 1 into 2 will be minus 2. Minus 1 into 1 will be equal to minus 1. So you can see the product is nothing but the numbers on the number line. Your integer number line, you can imagine minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, like that, right? So similarly, after minus 1, what should be the next one? 0. So how will you get that? Minus 1 into 0 is 0. So minus 1 into minus 1 will be plus, because in your number line, minus 1, 0 and plus 1, right? So we conclude that the product of one negative integer and one positive integer is a negative integer. Then the product of two negative integers is a positive integer. With this, we come to the end of this video. If this video was informative, then do like and share the video with your friends as well. If you haven't yet subscribed our channel, do subscribe the channel without fail and click on the bell button to receive notification of our future videos.